Okay, so here in this video, we will talk about operational, the operational modes for the Aruba Central. So it's quite easy to understand, that how we can actually operate Aruba Central. So there are two modes for the Aruba Central. The first one is the standard enterprise mode, and the second one is managed service provider mode. Uh, MSP is a short form for this, which is managed service provider. Now, first of all, we will talk about the standard and enterprise mode. So this is for those users who actually want to manage their accounts end to end. So with this mode, customers actually have complete access to their accounts. They can actually do the provisioning of the devices, and they can also have subscription to manage their own accounts. So let's say if we try to understand this on the basis of an example, or maybe let's say on the basis of a diagram. So let's say this is Aruba Central Standard Enterprise Customer Portal. So I'll just give it name Aruba C, just as a short form, Aruba Central. So let's say we have maybe different companies, or let's say this is company A. So this is company A, and this is company B, and then you have C, and then you have D over here. So I'll just have this in the organized way. So let's say this is Aruba Central. So by saying Aruba Central, we are talking about only the Aruba Central Standard Enterprise Customer Portal. So let's say we have company A, company B, company C, company D, and let's say you have maybe 4 access points here for this company, and then maybe you have one Aruba switch, and then let's say you have a gateway. So I'll just give a name as D. So this belongs only to company A, and then again, you can have different set of Aruba devices for B, C, and D. And what actually happens is that the users for these branches, or for these respective companies, they have access to to provision the devices which are part of their branch, and they can also manage the subscriptions for their accounts. So this is fully related to the standard enterprise customer portal. Now let's say if we talk about the MSP. MSP is managed service provider mode. This actually means, let's say you are a managed service provider. By saying a managed service provider, it means that let's say you run a company which is actually managing multiple customer companies or multiple customer networks. So the MSP admins, they can actually provision tenant accounts, and they can actually allocate the devices, they can assign the licenses, and they can also do the monitoring of the tenant accounts. And these admins can have specific they can actually go to a specific tenant account, and they can do the configuration work or the admin work inside that specific tenant account. So what actually happens is that this is something which is a more wider concept. So let's say if we talk about the managed service provider mode for the Aruba Central. So I'll type AC as Aruba Central, and then MSP is managed service provider mode. And then let's say you have tenant A, and then you have tenant B. So inside the tenants, there can be multiple branches, and inside the branches, there can be multiple devices. So let's say this is branch 1. I type it as B1, let's say branch 2. And then in a similar way, you have branch 3. And then you have branch 4, which are part of tenant B. Now in branch 1, maybe you have 2 access points only. And you are managing tenant A, which is actually taking care of the branch 1. And then in branch 2, maybe you have a switch, and then you have 2 access points after that. In a similar way, for tenant B, you can have a different set of devices for different branches. And, basically you are working as a managed service provider for multiple companies or multiple customer networks, which are further divided into, so by saying the word tenant, what this actually means is that, you can actually provision tenant accounts. You can allocate the devices, licenses, and you can actually you can monitor these tenant accounts and their networks depending on how you actually want to, which all devices or which all branches you want to put in which tenant. So, but the main thing is that, the tenants can access only their own respective accounts and only their own features and application services to which they have subscribed. So tenant A cannot access tenant B or vice versa. So it's not a sharing between these two tenants. But as an MSP, you are actually managing or you are taking care of both the tenants. So that's all for the Aruba Central Modes. And thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next video then. Thank you.